Welcome back to Wittenberg Academy's Latin 3 course, Lesson 72 in First Year Latin on page 137, the interrogative and indefinite pronouns. The interrogative pronouns are used in asking questions. In addition to the use as pronouns, they are also used as adjectives, as in quis vedet, who sees, also quis homo vedet, what man sees. Okay. So quis quae quid, who, which, or what. Quis cuius cui quem quo, qui corum quibus quos quibus, quae cuius cui quam qua, quae quorum quibus quas quibus, quid, or sometimes quod, cuius cui quid quo, quae quorum quibus quae quibus. And so take a look back on page 131 and just, compare and contrast where are these the same as the relative pronouns and where are they different. Only in a couple places are they different, but it's worth just noting what those are, especially the difference between qui and quis will be the one that you'll be able to notice most often from spelling. Note, when an interrogative pronoun or adjective is used in a sentence, the introductory particles nan, num, and nonne are not used. In the paradigm, the bracketed forms are used as adjectives only. Well, there you go. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns and adjectives present the idea of some person or thing without indicating which one. And so, for example, aliquis, aliqua, aliquid, or aliquod, some or someone, quidam, quidum, quidum, or quodum, a certain one or someone, quilibet, quilibet, quidlibet, anyone you will, anyone whatsoever, quisquam, quidquam, or quidquam, anyone, any at all, quisqua, quaiqua, quidqua, quoquua, each, every, or everyone, quivis, quavis, quidvis, anyone you will, anyone whatsoever. All of these are declined exactly like the relative qui, the suffix qua, quam, libet, wis, remaining unchanged throughout. Forms bracketed are used as adjectives only. These can be very confusing. You need to spend a lot of time with vocabulary this week. Treat these as vocabulary words and learn them because it can be tricky when you come across these in a sentence, as I'm sure you'll see in our translations. Vocabulary. Ignoro, to not know, to be ignorant of. Machina, a machine or an engine. Vivo, vivere, vixi, live or reside. All right, our translations. Quo animo has literas per annos multos scripsisti. Quo animo has literas per annos multos scripsisti. Quo animo, with what spirit, with what mind, in what mood almost. Let's find a verb. Scripsisti, have you written, has literas, these letters per annos multos, for many years. With what mind, with what spirit, with what mood have you written these letters over the years, over many years? Sentence 2. In qua urbe, cives Romani, vivimus. In qua urbe, cives Romani, vivimus. So the verb is obviously vivimus, we shall live. Or do we live? And the nominative is cives Romani, Roman citizens. And so in what city, Roman citizens, do we live? It's a rhetorical question. Quam rem publicum habemus? Quam rem publicum habemus? What republic do we have? What sort of republic do we have? Quis vestrum hoc ignorat? Quis vestrum hoc ignorat? So who, vestrum, who of you does not know this? So the ignorat, the subject of ignorat is quis. Who of you does not know this? Sentence 4. Respondemus cuique eorum ea quae audivimus. Respondemus cuique eorum ea quae audivimus. So this is a great one. 4 demonstratives in a row. We will respond, future, we will respond, cuique, to each, eorum, of which, of those things, ea, quae, those which we have heard. We will respond to everything of those things which we have heard. Sentence 5. Quosdam de exercitu captivos habebant. Quosdam de exercitu captivos habebant. So where's the verb? Habebant. They were holding. What were they holding? Captivos. So they were confining, they were holding captives. What kind of captives? Quosdam. Certain. Some. They were holding some captives de exercitu. Exercitu. Some captives from the army. There you go. And there, number 8, you've got a certain version of the Lord's Prayer. Now that you know all these demonstrative and relative pronouns. This is not, you have Beza's translation, there. At the end of the one, the kind of standard Lord's Prayer in Latin, it's not sed libera nos a illo in probo, it's sed libera nos a malo. But that's one version of the Lord's Prayer to learn, if you like. And that will do it for lesson 72.